Who doesn't love a photo shoot? Romeos, Juliets, babies, cats, even cars. Photo booths for automobiles are a great way to attract customers and bring a smile to your vehicle's face. Our client wanted to give their customers a high-end product presentation service for their vehicles, producing stunning automobile imagery via an augmented reality application. And for this, they partnered with us. We designed a solution that perfectly married cutting-edge AR and AI and delivered it as a mobile app. We trained several AI models for tasks such as replacing backgrounds, classifying the interior and exterior of the car, and reading the VIN, among others. We developed marker-based and LiDAR-based markerless solutions that tracked the motion of the camera, estimated the ground floor, and rendered consistent shadows across all video frames, resulting in a realistic 360-degree spin. Our astonishingly realistic augmented reality software solution was integrated seamlessly with the client's existing high-end photography hardware solution. The photo booth for automobiles is undoubtedly an exciting solution for our client, their customers, and of course, the cars. Make some vroom, yo! Glad we could help.